Hey, what's up? Welcome to my backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're going to be doing a product review, and it's grilling related. It's a glove set from grillheataid.com. Now these are high temperature gloves. The material in these are used with the same material that firefighters use in their gear. I could tell right now that these gloves are made with good quality. You know, instead of having like an oven mitten on your hand, basically it's just a glove, a really thick glove. I could tell by just being on my hand that this thing is insulated really well. Now these are perforated, so you don't want hot water or anything like that getting on you, because it will seep through and it'll burn you. But I could tell right now these are going to be really helpful out here on the grill. That's one thing that Marvin over there at grillheataid.com told me. He told me his story. Basically, he loves grilling, but he always burns himself. And that always happens with me. I always burn myself. It just comes to play. You know, you have hot elements, and you know, you're gonna eventually touch something. And it happens to me all the time. I get burned on my forearms, the back of my hand, you know, moving grates around, hot grates, you know, they're gonna touch you somehow, sometimes, you know. So a good glove is what you need when you're grilling. You know, for my hands, it seems okay. You know, it on the fingers, it's a little bit too long for my fingers. I got stubby fingers, so it's okay. But the rubber on the outside allows to grip. I could just tell. I mean, you can see the material moving as I'm rubbing my hand there. So it allows you to grip whatever you're getting. I would really use this, maybe like the charcoal baskets, the chimney, moving grates around, which I constantly do on my old grill. You know, I slide the grates over if I'm, you know, cooking food and putting in indirect heat. But for what I see, these feel really good in hand, and I would feel safe if touching something, which we're actually going to test that out. And they say these are rated up to 932 degrees, that it can keep you safe. But of course, heat's gonna take over anything. So it's only a matter of seconds when you're gonna actually feel the heat where, you know, it's just unbearable. But I don't know, we'll put it to the test. Alright, so here's our test. Got a chimney here full of charcoal. It's on fire right now. Holding it pretty good. I do feel heat. Yeah, see? Okay, now I feel the heat on there. But it gave me that seconds of protection. As you can see, it burnt the glove, the color of the thing there. But if I mean, that was really hot. So I mean, for this to not even hurt my hand, you know, these did really good. And that's basically what the gloves are for. And so that way it can protect you when you're grilling. Now, of course, the heat, like I said, heat is a very strong element. And yeah, it did take its toll, but nothing major. You know, my hands are fine. No burning. I don't even feel anything. I just felt warmness after a couple seconds. So these gloves actually live up to what they're meant for. I thank Marvin for sending me these. They are really made with really good quality. I definitely will be putting them to use. And if you're interested in these gloves, I'll leave a link down in the description, so that way you can pick yourself up a pair. They do sell them on Amazon, or you can check out grillheataid.com. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so that we can see my next video. And if you have any questions or anything to say about this product, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section and smash the like button while you're at it. Get you some of these and be safe. Take care.